It's time for the Hoover FloorMate Challenge. First, we asked ordinary women to clean their floors with their favorite cleaning tool. Then, we asked them to clean again with the Hoover FloorMate, the tool that vacuums, scrubs, and dries, and it's got 2 tanks, so dirty water is kept separate. With patented SpinScrub Technology, 6 counter-rotating brushes gently scrub your floor. Let's see how much dirt was left behind.
It's amazing.
It's crazy. There's a lot of dirt in there.
I've been doing all that work for
That's dirty. It's dirty water.
It's really disgusting.
This is amazing, this machine.
The tank tells the story. Take the Hoover FloorMate Challenge today.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.